So, let me get this straight. So you want me to give you scrap trains,
Yes?
so that you can turn them into zombie trains?
Uh-huh.
So that you can take over Staten Island?
Yeah, it's perfect. For Staten Island, then...
The whole world!
Oh, come on, Claude. You didn't let me say that part.
Well, sounds good to me.
Yay!
But there's one small problem. To turn trains into zombies, we need local tonium. And we're fresh out, so... we gotta go get some from an alternate universe first.
A portal?
Yeah? What's the matter? Never seen a space-time continuum splitting portal before?
Duh. Yeah, idiot.
Now get in.
Well,
Not scared, are you?
no, I'm just, well, I got a few screws loose, and I don't want to lose any parts when I...
Get in there.
Ah!
Is he a goner?
Nah, you'll make it. I think. Come on, let's go get some scrap. They don't call this place full of scrap for nothing.
Okay, boss.
Just look at all this scrap, Plod. We hit the mother lode.
Wow. It's beautiful.
All right, I'm back.
Did you get the stuff? Did you find my local tonium?
No, but I ran into a different problem.
No, save yourself! Run for your lives!
Lives is insane! Oh my god, run! Oh.
A little help, please. Ah, much better. Thank you. Missed a spot.
Hello everybody, it's HiroTheJapaneseTrain here with another wooden train review, and if you couldn't already tell from the 3-minute long skit, we're taking a look at Rustin Dustin by Zany Trains, and Zany Trains actually sent me this product to take a look at, and I was really thrilled to get the chance to collaborate with them. So we're going to take a look at the product today, and I have a lot of great things to say. I'll make it really simple, at the risk of over-explaining myself here. One thing, I like trains. Another thing I really like are building block sets like Lego and Mega Blocks, especially because I spent a lot of time building these with my wife and it's something that we really bond over. So then for me to take the two of these things and put them together, oh boy, that for me is just a total neuron activation happy moment. Needless to say, I love this concept of Rustin Dustin here by Zany Trains, and well, it makes me about as happy as a cat that gets to rub on stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box here, with the Zany Trains branding, Rustin Dustin at the top, and let's go ahead and take a look at this bio. Watch out for debris, it's Rustin Dustin. This junky jalopy engine works for the fullest scrapyard hauling rusty rails and tarnished trains. We love alliteration here. He'd be in the scrap heap himself if it wasn't for the hard-working rodents that keep him running. Just watch out for any falling parts. Rustin Dustin is always happy to lend a hand, as long as it's still attached, that is. And then of course we have all the Series 1 favorites, Toxic Ted, Sugar Rush, Susie, etc. But Series 2 really intrigues me. We have Rustin Dustin here, of course, and the brand new Toxic Turnpike, but Pizza. I haven't seen any pizza from Zany Trains yet, and the thought of that makes me really excited. So maybe we have something here in the works that we'll be seeing soon. And now let's go ahead and open up Dustin and put them together. So of course, the first thing out of the box here just about is this baseplate piece, which has the name on the bottom and definitely looks just like a blank slate for building whatever you want, really. And of course, since we're reviewing the item, we're going to build him just as he is. This is the character card for Rustin Dustin. Kind of a shame that it's got this crease down the middle, that it was folded that way, but no big deal. Pops right back into place. Then we've got these stickers for the rodent crew, Rustin Dustin's face, and the fullest scrapyard on the backside. Those will be put on shortly. And then we go ahead and open up the bag here, and out come all the pieces. Here come Dustin's instructions, which were very easy to follow. They even tell you where all the stickers go. And as far as building Dustin goes, it was very easy for me to put together. Obviously, I'm not part of the target demographic. However, even as an adult, I really enjoyed this. This is good for some light, building block building. If you are toward that target demographic age, you're probably going to need an adult to help you. But for me, it was still just as fun putting it together. And even just following the standard formula, it was really cool to put together. And here it is, finished, the final product. As is the standard with these building block companies, I even have a little extra piece here. And here are some close-ups of what the stickers look like with the face, full of scrapyard, honk if something falls off, and the rodent crew. This is what makes Zany Trains so great and unique, is that they have these old cartoon decals all over their engines. It really gives it such personality. And the fun doesn't stop there. If you want to bring in your own building block set, you can add your own pieces like this funnel here. Or if you want, you could bring in your own building blocks and turn this blank slate base plate into, well, anything you want. You can mess with the pieces. I personally like this boxy look. Or my personal favorite, I just put a bunch of stuff together in a weird way, tried to make an old-timey locomotive, or you could do this.
Yeah!
Well, that's gonna about do it for this review. I only have great things to say about Rustin Dustin. He's a great way to get some customization in your wooden train line without, needing to get out the paint and the clay, but also a great product for building brick lovers and wooden train lovers. So, with that, that's gonna do it. I'm HiroTheJapaneseTrain, signing off.
Is that enough screaming? I think that's enough screaming.